Clearing the fog, navigating ambiguous pronoun references. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a tricky topic in English grammar, something that often causes misunderstandings and confusion: ambiguous pronoun references. When used correctly, pronouns can add elegance and flow to your sentences. But when used incorrectly, they can make your sentences confusing and unclear. Let's dive in and learn more. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in sentences. Some common examples include he, she, it, they, we, and you. Now, a pronoun reference is the noun that the pronoun is referring to. For instance, in the sentence, John went to the store because he needed milk. He is the pronoun and John is the pronoun reference. An ambiguous pronoun reference occurs when it's unclear to the reader which noun a pronoun is supposed to be replacing. In other words, the reference is not clear. Here's an example. Jake told Albert that he failed. In this sentence, who does he refer to? Is it Jake or Albert? We cannot tell, and that makes it an ambiguous pronoun reference. To avoid ambiguous pronoun references, we have to make sure that it's always clear which noun our pronoun is referring to. Let's correct the previous example. Jake told Albert that Albert failed. Here, we replaced he with Albert, making it clear who failed. However, repeating nouns can sometimes sound redundant. If you find that's the case, you can restructure the sentence. Jake told Albert about his failing grade. Understanding is one thing, but the best way to get comfortable with fixing ambiguous pronoun references is to practice. Consider these two sentences. 1. Lisa gave Mary her coat. Does her refer to Lisa or Mary? 2. If a person doesn't manage their time, they won't be able to achieve their goals. Here, their and they could refer to anyone. Try to rewrite them so the pronoun references are clear. Pronouns can be a bit tricky, but with practice, you'll be able to spot and fix ambiguous pronoun references in no time. Remember, the key is clarity. Make sure that your reader always knows which noun your pronoun is referring to. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. We're confident you'll master this in no time.